Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of Bimi, a vegetable that has won over palates and kitchens around the world, thanks to its flavor, versatility, and remarkable health benefits. Join us on this journey to discover the origin of this unique food, its multiple uses in the kitchen, and the reasons why you should incorporate it into your daily diet. Bimi, known in some places as broccolini, is the result of curiosity and agricultural innovation. Its story begins in Japan in the 1990s, when a group of scientists decided to combine two exceptional vegetables, conventional broccoli and Chinese cabbage, also called kailan. The goal was simple but ambitious: to create a vegetable that brought together the best of both worlds. Thus, Bimi was born, a plant with long, thin stems, small green flowers, and a mild, slightly sweet flavor. Its tender texture and attractive appearance quickly made it stand out in Asian markets. And shortly after, its fame spread to Europe, America, and other parts of the world. Unlike traditional broccoli, which can sometimes be fibrous or bitter, Bimi offers a more delicate experience to the palate. Its stems are edible from start to finish, with no need to peel or discard parts, making it a practical and waste-free option. Additionally, its intense green color and small yellow flowers add a vibrant touch to any dish, making Bimi a true star in modern cuisine. Let's now talk about how you can incorporate Bimi into your daily meals. This vegetable is incredibly versatile and suits a wide variety of preparations, from the simplest to the most sophisticated. One of the most popular ways to enjoy it is steamed, which helps preserve its crunchy texture and sweet flavor. Just cook it for a few minutes to get a light and healthy side dish, perfect for any meal. If you prefer more intense flavors, sautéed Bimi is an excellent option. You can combine it with garlic, ginger, and a touch of soy sauce to create an Asian-inspired dish, or add it to a wok along with other vegetables and your favorite protein. You can also roast it in the oven, drizzled with a little olive oil and sea salt to enhance its natural sweetness and achieve a slightly caramelized texture. In salads, Bimi adds a fresh and crunchy touch. You can mix it with leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, and nuts for a nutritious and flavorful salad. And if you're looking for something more elaborate, include it in pastas, risottos, or as a side dish for meats and fish. Its mild flavor allows it to pair perfectly with a wide range of ingredients, from fresh herbs to creamy or spicy sauces. But Bimi stands out not only for its culinary versatility, but also for its remarkable health benefits. It is an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. Its high vitamin C content is notable, which is fundamental for strengthening the immune system and fighting free radicals. The vitamin A present in Bimi is key for eye health and maintaining the skin in optimal condition. Additionally, vitamin K contributes to bone health and proper blood clotting. Bimi is also rich in antioxidants, compounds that help protect our cells from oxidative damage and prevent premature aging. Its fiber content aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making it an ideal ally for those looking to maintain or lose weight healthily. Additionally, it is low in calories and contains no saturated fats, making it suitable for all types of diets, including vegetarian and vegan ones. Various studies have shown that consuming cruciferous vegetables like Bimi can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as certain types of cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and type 2 diabetes. Thanks to its combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds, Bimi not only nourishes the body, but also protects long-term health. If after learning all this you have become curious to try Bimi, in Madrid, you have a unique opportunity to enjoy it. We invite you to Cantina 33 at 5 Campomanes Street, where chef Sonny Montero has designed a special menu that fuses Venezuelan and international flavors, highlighting the freshness and versatility of Bimi. Here, you can taste vibrant salads, where Bimi provides that crunchy texture and unique flavor, as well as main dishes in which this vegetable becomes the ideal accompaniment to carefully selected proteins. At Cantina 33, every dish is an invitation to discover new gastronomic experiences. Imagine a Bimi salad with avocado and mustard vinaigrette, or a Bimi stir-fry with shrimp and Caribbean spices. You can also find vegetarian options, such as a creamy risotto with Bimi and mushrooms, or a light and tasty quiche. The chef's creativity and the quality of the ingredients ensure that every bite is a celebration of fresh and authentic flavors. Additionally, the cozy atmosphere of Cantina 33 and the warmth of its team make every visit special. Whether for a meal with friends, a romantic dinner, or a family celebration, this restaurant becomes the perfect place to enjoy the best of contemporary cuisine, with Bimi as one of its star ingredients. In summary, Bimi is much more than a vegetable. It is the result of innovation, a passion for gastronomy, and the desire to offer healthy and delicious foods. From its origin in Japan to its arrival at the best restaurants in Madrid, Bimi has shown that simplicity and quality can go hand in hand. So the next time you look for a healthy ingredient, full of flavor and easy to prepare, think of Bimi. Dare to incorporate it into your daily recipes and discover how it can transform your meals, adding color, texture, and essential nutrients. And if you want to live a unique culinary experience, don't hesitate to visit Cantina 33, where good food and joy are found in every bite. Remember to share this knowledge with your friends and family. Healthy eating is a gift we can share every day. We look forward to seeing you at Cantina 33 to continue discovering together the pleasure of eating well and living better.